What is good, everyone? Welcome back to Wanderlust in Life. We are again on the life portion of this channel. I plan on remodeling my laundry room. I am gonna do this one weekend at a time and in like very small chunks at a time. So I already took down the door. So I'll show you my laundry room in a minute, but I had a closet pantry type door back there, and I took that door off already. I didn't record myself doing that, which you don't need to see. It took like 5 seconds. Just taking the drill and undoing it. But today I'm going to rip out the door frame or the walls where the rest of the closet door was to open up that space. I'll show you a picture. I'll link a picture to kind of the idea-ish that I'm going for with the laundry room. Now, I want to remind you guys, I'm not a pro by any means. I'm just winging it. This is definitely DIY. One of the main reasons why I'm doing this section is I want to show people that you're capable of doing a lot of things yourself. You don't have to pay hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars to have someone do it. Just give yourself a chance and give it a go. And if you mess up, it's fine. Just start over again, or at that point you can hire somebody if you really wanted to. But I'm sure between YouTube and maybe even this, you can figure it out. But I say that also to say I am always open to any kind of advice or encouragement along the way. I did a segment on the outdoor sofa, sectional sofa that I had built, and my friend JB commented and was like, do you think about using weather-treated lumber to build the bench with since it's going outside? No, I didn't think of that very simple, obvious point, but I'm grateful to him for bringing it to my attention. So from here on out, I will be using weather-treated lumber to build my outdoor furniture. I still have to build the chase for that outdoor sectional. Probably will end up either rebuilding or sanding down what I've already built. I'll probably do that. Just sand out what I already built and then treat the lumber. I think I can still salvage it. It worked out pretty nice. I ended up outside a couple times chilling on it, which I should have recorded that as well, but it works. I just gotta retreat it so that it lasts longer. Anyway, laundry room is this winter. I'll be doing many videos of that. I don't know if I'll just post it as one big giant video or if I'll send you updates along the way as I do a little bit at a time. But yeah, we're gonna rip out that wall today, and if you guys have any suggestions for me, because I've never done this before, we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure it out together. So give me some suggestions, give me some advice, and let's get to it. Alright, so before we get started today, I'm just giving you like a preview of what the laundry room currently looks like. So today we're gonna try to cut out the wall here, over here, the door frame. But first, I gotta clean these shelves off because it doesn't work when there's all kinds of stuff around. It just makes a bigger mess. So I'm gonna clean this. You don't wanna watch me do that, and then I'll come back and we'll get to it. All right, so we got everything removed from the shelves in the closet. I saw a guy once before, I don't know if it was like HGTV or maybe just YouTube or something, I'm not sure. But he cut around. Oh, what? Alright, sorry, got interrupted by my grandma. Which, by the way, I think I told you this story back in one of the first DIY videos that I did, but the house that I am remodeling, everything that I'm doing in all these videos is my grandmother's house that I pretty much grew up in. A couple Easters back. Oh my God, it's been like 7 years now, so I guess more than a couple. I came over for Easter and saw that the house was falling apart. She obviously was too old to do a lot of the work and take care of the house, so I moved in, tried to help her fix everything up, and eventually bought the house from her. She still is here with me, so if she comes in and interrupts the video again, my apologies. She'll just have more entertainment for sure. But slowly over the years, I've just been remodeling room by room and fixing the place up. So we're gonna rip out this wall here. Got the shelves all cleaned off. I saw either on HGTV, probably YouTube, I don't know. I saw somebody taking out a wall once before, and they took a straight razor and cut along the edges of the wall, which makes sense. That's where the drywall tape is, and the joints that make the transition smooth with the walls. From the drywall, there's not actually drywall there, it's just tape. So I figure cut that away should make it a little easier to rip the drywall away from the studs. So right now I just really want to get the drywall off and see what is there and what I have to work with. So yeah, let's get started. You know, I'm really terrible about this. There's probably a lot of safety warning tips that I should tell you about. Again, I'm doing this on the fly, so just use all the precautions. Using knives, be careful doing this. You should probably wear a mask, probably wear goggles, probably wear gloves. So basically, don't do what I do. Do it the safe way. Alright, that actually cut pretty easily. Although over there, I had a friend come in and do some plumbing work in here when I first got this combo washer and dryer too, and she just, like, literally earlier this year just put in fresh drywall to cover up this part of the wall down here, and I'm about to destroy it, so sorry, Ozzy. You did good work though. Alright, so again, like I said, don't know what I'm doing, but I just want to take off this first layer of drywall, kind of see what we're working with, and I'll get the backside, and then we'll be done for today. You should probably be more safe than what I'm doing. And to all my firefighters who are watching this, look, I'm an engineer, I'm not a trucker, I don't do, and I don't have a hook, I have a hammer, so go easy on me. Whew. All right, so that's exactly what I wanted to accomplish. You can definitely see the water damage from the leak that I had, which I had my friend Ozzy come in and fix, which he did better than I expected. He did a magnificent job. So if you need a plumber, let me know. Actually, he's a jack of all trades. He kind of does everything. And he did everything for that too. It wasn't just plumbing, but yeah. Let's get started. All right, I'm gonna clean this mess up and hopefully get to bed at a decent hour, because that's a lot. Oh yeah, definitely can confirm you should probably wear goggles at the very least, or some kind of safety glasses when you're doing this. And again, my firefighter people, don't come for me. I carry the hoses. I don't have hooks and all that trucker stuff. So, yeah. All right, stay tuned for next part of this project. Not really sure what it's gonna be yet. Probably taking down these studs, which I'm not doing tonight. All right, till next time.